I'm from Jamaica, the USA. I found a Slurpee. I wanna drink it. I'm addicted to my girlfriend. I don't really know where I should live, but if you find me next, I'll dub on that train. I sent you a letter in the mail. Are you made out of pool? You need to get cool. You are a fool right now. I have to be like now. If you don't know who I am, you can just dig out of here. I'ma make some good American food today. I muted your mic until you got a Zoom. And I know it's been too late for task, but I've been eating Taki chips for a while. Is it meant to be you? Cause I'm addicted right now, so you say I'm addicted today. And so you say I'm addicted to everything. Is it you? Cause I need water in my sleep for the rest of my life. Can you believe me? All those messages I sent you tonight. All these minds and yours will be cooked. I'ma make a head on mini games so real tonight. If it's meant to be you, if it's meant to be me, meant to be you or meant to be me, I don't really know cause I'm not 22. Stop watching Disney. Why you always in the mood?